Hi, I'm Maryjo with Fourth Dimension Healing in Stillwater, Minnesota, and I'm also the director of the Center for Crystal and Healing Studies, which is my online school. I wanted to take a minute to talk with you about pyrite. Pyrite is an amazing stone that is very effective in helping us to establish strong energetic boundaries. It consists of iron sulfides. It has a hardness of 6 to 6.5. It's a very heavy, dense stone with all the iron in it. So it is a wonderful stone to work with when we're working with the root chakra, which is definitely what we need to do to get grounded and have a base to build upon. Pyrite gets its name from a Greek word that means fire, and that's not surprising when we see all the fiery sparkles within pyrite. So it's not also surprising then that pyrite can be very helpful when we're working with the second and third chakra also, because those two energy centers tend to be very fiery compared to the density of that root chakra, which is more of an earth chakra. So I thought what I would like to do is just show you a few examples of some of the pyrite that I carry in my online shop. You can find pyrite throughout the world. I really like Peruvian pyrite, and so that is typically what I carry, and I thought I would show you a few examples. Here is a piece of raw pyrite. If we were to magnify this, we would definitely be able to see its cubic or isometric structure. So that's an example. I have a couple pieces of tumbled pyrite here. And it's not uncommon for tumbled pyrite to also have these little pockets of space that are simply not filled in as the stone is tumbling around. I love working with stones that have these little pockets or crevices, because that's often for ourselves where the mystery of healing is taking place. And it's a good reminder that sometimes we have to go down beneath the surface a little bit lower to be able to get at the healing that's arising. Here are a couple examples of cubic shaped pyrite. These are not only able to be held, for example, in the hands while doing meditative work, healing work, placed on or around the chakras. They also, an example to work with this could be beautifully placed as part of a crystal grid, anchoring the intentions of that grid. And then also we can find tumbled spheres of pyrite. Keep in mind that when we have various shapes, the shape itself is going to influence how those healing properties and vibrational properties of the stones are emanating out. And so in the case of this sphere, that grounding, protective energy is moving out in all directions. So those are just a few examples of some of what I have available. Take a look at my online shop. Let me know if you have questions. I look forward to having a conversation with you if you would so choose. For now, I wish you many blessings. Be well.